The not registered on network error on your Boost mobile phone means your device can't connect to the cellular network for calls, texts, or data. This is often due to issues with IMS, the IP multimedia subsystem that handles voice and text over LTE and 5G networks. Essentially, your phone isn't authenticating with Boost Mobile's network. Common causes include SIM card problems, outdated software, incorrect network settings, or temporary network outages. The error is most common on older devices after SIM swaps or in areas with weak signal. Here are the steps to troubleshoot and fix the not registered on network error on Boost Mobile. First, restart your phone. This is the simplest and often most effective first step to clear any temporary issues. Second, check your SIM card. Make sure it's properly inserted and not damaged. Try removing and reinserting it if needed. Third, verify your APN settings. In your phone's mobile network settings, make sure the APN is set to Boost Mobile's correct values, APN Boost MSC h2mmsc.mobility.net. Fourth, reset your network settings. This will clear any incorrect network configurations. Look for this option in your phone's general settings under Reset. Fifth, update your phone's software. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with Boost Mobile's network. Sixth, use the Boost Mobile app. It includes a diagnostic tool that can automatically detect and fix provisioning errors. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Boost Mobile support. They can provide further assistance and may need to manually re-provision your device.